There's a handful of ways to find and open applications on your Mac. Let's say I want to open Google Chrome. The most common way is to check your dock. See if the app is there, and if it is, launch it directly from the dock. If your dock is hidden, you can reveal it by hovering your mouse cursor near it, or if you'd like, you can have it always visible by using the keyboard shortcut, Option, Command, and D. Hitting that combo will reveal and hide your dock. But let's say the app I'm looking for is not in my dock. I can use this app launcher to find and open any application. If you're on macOS Tahoe, this will look like the window I have here, but on older versions of macOS, it's called Launchpad, and it looks like a full-screen grid of apps, similar to an iPhone or iPad home screen. The older Launchpad also has a search field on the top, so you can use that if needed. Another quick way to find and launch apps is the Spotlight search. Hit Command and Spacebar, and Spotlight search field will become active. This is a super fast way to find and open anything, whether it's applications, documents, contacts, or really anything you have on your computer. Spotlight search also works within Finder. Just type your search in the top right corner. If the app you're looking for was used recently, you can also access it from the Apple menu. Click up here and view your recent items. This will show both applications and documents. And of course, the last and most comprehensive way is to open up Finder and go to your Applications folder. This will have a list of every application installed on your Mac, and you can launch and delete apps from here. If you want an app to always be visible and accessible in your dock, you can simply drag it from your Applications folder to the dock. It will stay in the Applications folder, but it will also be available in the dock after this. So that's how you find and launch apps on your Mac. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, I'll see you in the next one.